All right.
Hey, Courtney, how you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm wonderful, and I'm super excited about partnerships being the concentration of our month. You know, the month of May is the month of partnerships for WREN.
Yeah, I think it's about time actually we've had this topic because it's pretty prevalent in our business.
You know what? It's really prevalent, and it's also prevalent in networking, right? And when
Totally,
we
yeah.
network with each other, we have to look at the different ways that we could engage with each other, whether
Right.
it's a partnership, whether it's a money partnership, whether it's a joint venture. You know, how you engage with each other is really important. So this month, we are highlighting, well, the pitfalls of partnership and how to avoid them. Now, I don't know about you, Courtney, but I've had a couple pitfalls of partnerships.
Yeah,
Oh my
definitely.
gosh. It's the kind of thing that'll wake you up in the middle of the night, right? It's like, oh,
Especially if you have the wrong partner, for sure. The pitfalls aspect of it definitely will keep you up at night. I don't know what it is, but for some reason in my real estate consulting and coaching, I seem to attract negative partnerships.
oh no.
I've coached a lot of people in the midst of like really bad partnerships and kind of
Right,
helps them get things straight. But
right.
hey, it is what it is. You got to have the right partners.
But here's the thing that you're going to be bringing some of that wisdom to our meeting on May 26th at 5 p.m. Courtney is going to be there bringing some of the wisdom of how to have a really good partnership. Now, there's a lot of things you can do to make sure you're a good fit for partnerships, as well as there's a lot of things you can do in your partnership agreements to make sure that everybody's on the same page. Now, I've had some pitfalls of partnerships, but I got to tell you, I've had some amazing partnerships as well. Now, when a partnership works well, oh my gosh, it's
Yeah,
a very,
totally.
very powerful thing, you
Yeah.
know? Now,
Yeah. But it's like you said, okay, so usually when I say, oh, well, send me over your partnership agreement and I'll take a look at it before our first call, I get this look. And you're like, oh, no partnership agreement. So that's step one, people. And we'll talk
right.
more about that on our call.
Right. Absolutely. Absolutely. You know, this is a business, ladies. We need agreements to be in place, right? We need it all spelt out on paper. We need everybody on the same page before you continue. And we're going to have some special guests this month at our meeting. We are going to have two women that have been partnering, well, gosh, actually, as long as I've known them, which has got to be over 10 years now.
Wow.
They've had a very successful partnership. In fact, they own multiple storage units across the United States. And they're going to come on and they're going to talk to us about some of the things that have been really working for them in their partnership. So we're going to talk about what makes a successful partnership, what to avoid in partnerships, and how do you set yourself up for success in partnerships, right?
Yeah. Yeah. And I love that we're going to have them on there to show that, okay, if you do it right and you set everything up properly, you can avoid the pitfalls and have a beautiful partnership, which is fantastic. I mean, that's what we really all want. It's just a matter of getting clarification around a lot of different things first. So I love that we're having that part.
Right. And I think there's nothing better than having a really great partner. Personally, I feel like it's that old adage, two heads are better than one.
Sure.
Right?
Yeah,
When I get
definitely.
stuck on something and I can call my partner who's just as vested as I am in the project
Right.
and say, okay, what are we going to do about this? And they have a completely different perspective and you can brainstorm and come up with a solution, right?
Absolutely.
That's for like a joint V type partnership. But, you know, I have a lot of money partners, right? A lot of people will come to me to want to invest their money to make passive income. And, you know, what's really great about that is I'm able to utilize that resource that they're able to give me. They're able to make money. I'm able to make money. I mean, when everybody makes money, it's all happy, right?
We're all happy as long as we have it all documented properly.
Oh my gosh. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for coming back to that, Courtney. Yes. Documenting everything properly is definitely part of the whole partnership deal. But there's so many different ways you can partner. And we're going to talk about some of that as well. And so join us on May 26th at 5 p.m. We'll put the link to register down below and find out more about how to partner with people.
Looking forward to it.
Thanks.